Hello everyone, and welcome to a YouTube video today where we will be discussing quadratic surfaces, which is under the analytic geometry and trigonometry section of mathematics. This lesson is going to be very short and sweet. This isn't to teach you and educate you regarding quadratic surfaces, but it is to kind of refresh your memory if you're studying for a quiz or an exam, or just to get a quick introduction to what this topic entails. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So after introducing that equation on the previous slide, it's perfectly okay to not fully understand this content yet. So I think the best way to kind of introduce it even further is to provide you with an example problem. So the problem states, most nearly, what is the radius of a sphere with a center at the origin, and it also passes through point 816. So let's try and break this word problem down a little bit to get information out of it. So for starters, it says that the center of the sphere is at the origin. And we know that the center is the variables x, or coordinates x, y, z. So with it being at the origin, all of those coordinate systems are the value of 0. Aside from the origin being 0, 0, 0, we're also given a point, which is 8, 1, 6. And that point is going to be the variables h, k, m, or the coordinate system, h, k, m. So h will be equal to 8, k will be equal to 1, and then m will be equal to 6. And we're asked to find the radius. So kind of showing you guys the equation again, we know everything on the left side of the formula, and we're asked to find what's on the right. So now we just simply rearrange the equation to get r by itself by square rooting the left side. The next step, we are just going to plug in all the variables that we were able to identify, whether that is for the origin, x, y, z, as well as points h, k, m. And then we're going to simplify that even further, and further, and further, getting us a radius of the square root of 101. So as shown there, we were able to identify the answer to be B. I hope this brief introduction to this content helped you in some sort of way in understanding this portion of quadratic surfaces. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to help me provide more content at a faster rate to hopefully assist anyone else that may be curious in mathematics and want to learn more. Alright, have a great day guys. Bye.